Hey guys, welcome to another video with me, your girl Latoya. Today I'm going to show you how to transform this into this. Now for this video, I will be using the Afro twist hair by Fiana, and this is in the color number 2. I paid 1,750 Jamaican dollars per pack, and I purchased 2 packs of this hair. I'm also going to be using my Cream of Nature Pure Honey Twisting Cream just to add some moisture to my hair, my Ultra Gel Wax to assist with the parting, and my mousse at the end of the video to hold down any frizz as possible. I'm also going to be using my tail comb and my scissors. Now for this video, I'm going to start with a freshly washed hair. I allow my hair to air dry as I do not like to use heat on my hair. Now the first thing I like to do is to part from ear to ear, just a section of the front portion of my hair, so I can go in to style the back portion first. So guys, let us talk about this hair. Now, as you can see, this pack consists of 3 bundles, with each bundle consisting of 12 pieces of hair. So at first, I wasn't sure if I should use 1 piece of the hair per twist or separate it into 2 to get 2 twists from it. However, when I separated it into 2, I realized that it was really thin, so I decided to use 1 strand of hair per twist. So looking at the length of this hair, I realized that the 16-inch was too long. I wanted my hair length to be at my shoulders, and so I decided to cut the hair in 2. So this is how it looks when the hair is cut into 2, and this one is when I use the hair as is. So I'm just going to take the 1 piece of the hair and I'm just going to fold it down the middle. Next, I'm going to go in with my scissors and just cut right at the center. So now for each piece of hair, I can get 2 twists from it. So guys, before I show you how to install the hair, I just want to show you how to achieve this full look. Now it all begins with the parting of your hair. So you want to make sure that your hair falls in between each other. So to achieve this, you do not want your parting to meet the other parting down below. What you're going to do is to part on top of the box braid below to achieve the full and fluffy look. When you part it like this on top of the box braid, each hair would fall in between each other to give the full and fluffy look. Now it's time to install the hair. So this is the hair that I've already cut into 2. I'm just going to stretch it a little bit and then find the center. Now once you hold it in the middle, you create 2 strands of hair. Now your natural hair will become the 3rd strand of hair. You're going to braid in your hair, and you're going to braid as much as possible until you're certain that the hair is secured to your natural hair. Once you're satisfied, when your natural hair falls in the middle, you're now going to separate your natural hair into 2. So each piece of your natural hair goes with the piece of the braid. I'm now going to apply my moisturizer and then twist the remaining portion of the hair. Now when you're twisting the hair, you're not going to apply too much pressure. You're just going to twist as normal as possible. That way the hair will get the bounce and the fluffiness that you want the hair to have. So guys, I've completed the back portion of my hair. I am so loving this twist. The hair is bouncy, the hair is very lightweight, and I just love the look. Now time to go in to style the front portion of my hair. So I like to part my hair down the middle, so that's what I'm doing right now. Then I'm just going to apply my gel wax and then retrace that parted section so it can be neat and tidy as possible. So time to go over the installation method. So first I'm going to apply my gel. Remember, you can use whatever gel that you have, but I'm showing you the one that I'm using. Next, I'm just going to go in with my hair that is already cut into two, and I'm just going to stretch it a little bit. Next, I'm just going to find the center of that hair and apply it to my natural hair, with my natural hair becoming the third strand. I'm just going to braid as much as possible until I'm sure that the hair is secured to my natural hair. Then once my natural hair falls in the middle, I'm going to separate my natural hair into two, so each piece of my natural hair would go with the piece of the braid. Then I'm just going to apply my cream to my hair just to lock in some moisture, and I'm going to twist the remaining portion. Now remember guys, when you're twisting, you don't want to apply too much pressure. Just twist the hair as natural, as normal as possible. That way the hair will get the bounce and the fluffiness that you want the hair to have. So guys, time to go over the installation method. So I'm just going to apply my gel to the base of my hair. Next, I'm going to go in with my moisturizer and apply it to the remaining portion of my hair, just to give my hair some moisture. And you can use whatever moisturizer that you have. Now I'm going with the piece of the hair that is already cut into two, and I'm just going to stretch it out a bit and then find the center. Now when I hold the hair in the middle, it becomes two strand. Now my natural hair will become the third strand of hair. Now I'm just going to braid this portion of my hair, and I'm going to braid as much as possible until I'm satisfied that the hair is secured to my natural hair. Once my natural hair falls in the middle, I'm just going to separate it into two. That way each piece of my natural hair would go with the braid. I'm just going to twist the remaining portion of my hair, and I'm twisting as natural as possible so the hair can have the bounce that you want the hair to have. So now that I have completed all the twists, I'm just going to go in now with my mousse, and I'm using the mousse just to hold down frizz, add moisture to the braid itself, and just to give the hair that glowing look that you want the hair to have. Next, I'm just going to go in with my scissors and trim the ends. Now don't be afraid to cut away those ends guys, the hair will not unravel. So guys, this is the final look. I am so in love with these twists. I'm so in love with this hair. It is so natural looking, it's beautiful, and it's very lightweight. Guys, I went ahead to style it in all ways I can possibly think of, and I love everything about this hair. Now I've installed hairs similar to this. I've installed the Springy Afro twist and the Ghana Afro twist, and someone told me to try this Fiana Afro twist, and let me tell you guys, Fiana didn't fail. I am so in love with this hair. I've gotten so many compliments regarding this hairdo. Now guys, I've purchased 2 packs of this hair. but because I cut each piece of hair into 2, I only ended up using 1 full pack of hair and 1.5 bundle from this pack of hair. So guys, it's affordable and it works. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, thumbs up this video, post your comments and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.